Tired of cold drafts sneaking in through your windows every winter? When windows leak heat or let cold air creep in, your heating works overtime, making rooms uncomfortable and bills skyrocket. A good window insulation solution doesn't just block drafts. It seals gaps, traps warmth, and makes your home cozy and energy efficient all winter long. In this video, I'll show you the best window insulation kits and methods that dramatically reduce heat loss, so you spend less on heating and enjoy a warmer, more comfortable home. So, without any delay, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the Blinds Window Insulation for Winter Kit, a practical choice for renters or anyone who wants a quick winter fix. This kit is designed to fit a variety of window sizes, making it versatile for older homes, apartments, or smaller windows. Installation is straightforward. You affix the included tape around the frame, cut the film to size, and shrink it tight with a hairdryer or heat gun, if included or your own. The added plastic barrier traps an insulating layer of air between the window glass and film, which can dramatically reduce that cold window effect. For homeowners in moderate climate regions or those with smaller heating bills, Blinds can make a noticeable difference simply because it cuts out drafts and helps hold warm air in. It's not as heavy-duty as high-end shrink films, but for an entry-level kit, especially in milder winter regions, it's a low-cost way to get a warmer, draft-free home with minimal effort. At number 4, the Melroom Adjustable Window Insulation Kit offers flexibility and ease of use for households that want a balance between performance and budget. Because it's adjustable, it can handle slightly non-standard or irregular window frames, useful if your home is older or your windows are custom-sized. The transparent film maintains natural light while creating a draft barrier. Many users spot a difference in how the room feels. Less cold seeping in, and heaters don't need to run as hard. While this kit isn't the heaviest duty option on the list, it shines for mid-season climates or transitional weather, and can be a good first insulation effort if you've never sealed windows before. If you want an easy-to-apply, affordable kit that still improves comfort and reduces drafts, Melroom makes a good case for itself. Number 3 goes to the Tanny Window Insulation Kit for winter, a more robust film solution aimed at stronger insulation performance. This kit tends to use thicker film and better sealing tape, which helps create a more effective barrier against air leaks, especially around older window frames or in colder climates. Once installed, users often notice less cold air around window edges and fewer chilly drafts even on windy days. For homes with single-pane windows or older glazing, Tanny can significantly reduce heat loss and improve comfort. That said, because it's more heavy-duty, installation might take a bit more care. Make sure surfaces are clean before applying tape, and cut film precisely for a tight fit. But if you're looking for a durable, seasonal solution that lasts the whole winter, Tanny strikes a nice balance of affordability, effectiveness, and ease of removal come spring. Coming in at number 2 is the Duck brand Rolled Window Insulation Kit, one of the most widely recommended and trusted window insulating film kits available. The key strength of this kit is its heavy-duty, crystal-clear shrink film and easy installation process. Tape around the window frame, cut to size, affix the film, and then shrink it tight with a hairdryer. Once installed, the film creates an airtight seal that significantly reduces drafts, cold air infiltration, and heat loss. According to energy-saving guides, these film kits can save up to 10% on home energy costs by cutting down on heat loss through windows. Many homeowners report their rooms feel warmer, thermostats don't have to work as hard, and heating bills drop, especially in older homes with drafty, single-paned windows. Because it maintains visibility, transparent film, you don't lose natural light, a frequently cited plus. It's also easy to remove once warmer weather returns, leaving no residue behind. For anyone looking for a reliable, season-long insulation upgrade that's inexpensive and effective, Duck brand is hard to beat. At number 1, I'm putting the Agate Window Insulation Kit, or similar premium heavy-duty film kits. The top pick for those who want the strongest seasonal protection against cold, drafts, and heat loss. These premium kits often feature thicker, puncture-resistant shrink film, stronger adhesive tape, and more comprehensive coverage for windows, even larger ones or older frames that leak air. When installed properly, these kits reduce drafts dramatically, trap warm indoor air better, and can noticeably improve room comfort on even the coldest days. Their build quality also means they resist tearing, handle high traffic areas or homes with pets, and last for an entire winter season without needing reapplication. While cost may be a bit higher than basic kits, the long-term benefits, lower heating bills, consistent indoor temperature, and reduced draftiness make them worth it for many homeowners. For cold climates, drafty older houses, or anyone wanting maximum comfort, this top-tier insulation kit is the smartest seasonal upgrade you can make.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!